coconut oil.
So you always start with the coconut oil, right?
Again, this also start with the coconut oil. You can see that all the preparations will start with coconut oil. Cardamom, whole cardamom.
Oh,
Usually cardamom will split it, but this preparation we don't do that.
yeah, okay, so.
I'm gonna split the other. So it will split.
I will split,
It
okay.
will split.
Yes.
And if you do that, the seeds will come out.
It's
To
getting
avoid
too
that,
strong,
yes,
it's
too
too
strong
intense
it
from
is.
the taste.
It will be a light taste is good enough.
Was that all?
Coconut.
Coconut.
Sliced coconut.
Even sliced coconut, you have to buy a whole coconut, right?
Full coconut.
Yeah, you have to buy a whole coconut. Yeah, for a couple of slices, no?
Sometimes you get it in the supermarket, this small box with cut eggs.
Yeah.
It's not fresh, of course.
Carrot, right?
Carrot.
ഇതിന്റെ proportional
Yeah.
There is a proportion for this carrot, beetroot, and bean.
Okay.
3:2:1.
No, no.
3:2:1. So the preparation is like
3, 2, 1.
3:2:1.
Understood, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We use less of beetroot. It gives that color. If you use more beetroot.
Can you explain normally each ingredient in the direction of a special dosha? Is this dishes now for all three doshas? For Vata, Pitta, Kapha, or is it some?
Irrespective of the dosha.
Yeah.
Okay. That can you sorry, I will check and update you. We'll check and update you. I'm not sure
Yeah.
about it.
But this time there's no garlic, right? Just
This for the rice, no garlic and no ginger also. Normally garlic, ginger for the curry.
Okay.
Some people use garlic ginger paste for the rice also, but normally we don't use that.
Kokosöl und dann,
Cashew
genau.
nuts.
Cashew nuts.
Ja, ja, alles zusammen.
And
Erst die
raisins.
Möhren,
Raisins and
ja,
cashew
dann erst die Möhren, dann die Bohnen und dann die rote Beete.
First we heat the oil, then we add some coconut to that, then all three vegetables, then it also like cardamom, now cashew nuts and raisins. In coconut oil it is.
Ja, waren 3 Stück rein. Die nicht aufbrechen, weil da sonst der Geschmack sind.
We'll get something like this later on. I mean, not today, but in a couple of days, yeah?
Definitely, I'll tell him to add to your diet.
Yeah? That would be great.
Because the rice is so
Rice, yeah.
and it's so colorful.
It is certain.
Ja, and delicious, ne? It's not only colorful. Very good.
Yeah.
Colorful rice, different colors. The same thing.
Yeah.
So now we add coconut milk. It is a thick coconut milk which is added to that, and we'll cover it and keep it just 30 seconds or something. Just
30
to make-
seconds.
Yeah. It is done almost.